Hello and welcome to the second vlog on the Thrills of the Hills YouTube channel. Today we are back at Monk's Walk. I am about to head up to meet Dominic Gardner and Luke Pickles. Yeah, come join us. Hopefully there will be some work today. I know it's Friday, sometimes they don't work Fridays, but we'll see what's happening. I know they've now completed the Immelman section of the track, which is the section I was showing you in the last vlog. So yeah, we'll go and check that out for the first time. Yeah, it'll be a good day. It's absolutely freezing, honestly. The amount of frost on my car is just absolutely crazy, but yeah, we'll battle through it. Hopefully it's not too icy and we'll get some good shots. Come join us. So I forgot to add to the intro that I did before leaving. I just want to say a massive thanks for all the support so far. I think we're on like 45 subscribers now and nearly 500 views on the last video, so it's highly appreciated. Keep it going. Like today's video, keep subscribing, share it to your friends, it's much appreciated. Got Luke here now.
Hello.
How we doing?
Yeah, very good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. Excited for today. Like hopefully a lot will be going on, because I was just saying to my subscribers that the Immelman's now in fully, so hopefully we'll start seeing the framework for the lift structure going in. Be a good day, yeah.
Yeah, excited.
Just waiting for Dom. I don't know where he is. Yeah, I'll have to give him a call. Yeah.
Hopefully he's awake.
Hopefully. You just don't know with Dom. He's unpredictable.
Could be gone back to sleep.
Probably. But yeah, yeah, we'll see you in a minute.
I knew it.
Here he is.
I knew
About time, Dom. Come on.
Hello.
How are you anyway?
I'm alright, yeah.
Yeah.
Just literally get out of bed and I've got news.
Yeah.
It's happening today.
What? Lift hill?
No.
What?
Activity today.
Okay. That is what I wanted to hear, to be fair. Yeah.
It's sunshine, that's why they're out today. So, oh my god, what's going on just then?
Sunshine? You're joking, right? You would. It's so cold. Honestly, it's so freezing. Like the amount of ice I had to scrape off my car, you wouldn't even believe. Like, honestly, it's ridiculous. But yeah, we're gonna head to Monk's Walk now. Let's go. So we've now actually made it to Thorpe Park. Well, not quite at Monk's Walk yet. I'm going to show you this view that Dom has suggested to me. That is absolutely incredible. We're down by the ski place, Thorpe Ski, and the view of this is absolutely incredible. So if I just take you onto the front-facing camera, just look at the scale of this project. Like, this is what I was saying earlier. Like, if you in the last vlog, if from further back, you really just get the proper scale of this coaster. So obviously now this section that you can see here is the Immelman that was being put in on the last vlog, so that is now fully complete. And where the cranes are at the moment, that is where we're predicting where the lift hill will be going up. So you just imagine it'll be towering above this structure here, so all the way up here. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, just to give you an idea before we go down Monk's Walk and check out the updates. Incredible. Here we go then, the walk down Monk's Walk. As you can slightly see there is the outer bank. Walking down, and already the scale of this is just crazy since I last did our vlog. Got Luke and Dom here. A shout out, boys. What do you think? Delightful. Positive energy, that's what I like to see.
Let's go for it.
So here we go then. We have got a lot of work going on. I can hear drills. Don't know if it's picking up very well in the camera, but there is work going on. I know they were lifted in supports earlier on, so hopefully we'll see some of them go in shortly. But here we go. This is the shot I've been waiting for. Unbelievable. Look at that. The amount of airtime coming out of this is just going to be absolutely crazy. Hopefully those trims, as I mentioned before, don't affect it too much at least. But you'll come out of this element and into that absolutely insane outer bank. Comment down below also what is your most anticipated section of this coaster. For me personally, it's the lift hill and this element here, 100%. Even this side wave airtime hill, like it's good. You're gonna get so much good sideways airtime on that coming into final brakes. Yeah, carry on down here and see if any further work is going on. I was just saying to Dom and Luke, I mean, it hurts my neck looking up at the scale, at the size of this. Can you imagine the lift hill all the way up here? I mean, the fact we got another like 70 foot a track on top of this point here, it's just mad to think. Like it, even on the big one, which is 214 feet, it's tall. Like even I've been on Shambhala, which is higher than this, and yeah, it's ridiculous. The views on Shambhala are just absolutely phenomenal, and I think you can get just as equal one on here. It's a shame you're not facing out towards the park on the lift hill. It will be out towards the outskirts of Chertsey. Probably not as good a view as you want to see, but yeah. But if you look back on the lift hill, it will look phenomenal. But that first drop is going to be absolutely insane. Twisting in on yourself, coming into this Immelman, all the way around. Absolutely mad. I just can't believe, like, this is the year we will be getting on Hyperia. Like, I was just saying earlier on, like, seeing the concepts on the walls around the perimeter in the park, to seeing it in real life, it's just, words don't describe. Waited so long for this moment, like all of us, like capturing days like this, like it's been such a long build up, but just to see the final product is absolutely incredible. Words don't describe it, they really don't. But yeah, walking down now, I'm gonna try and get a better view into the station, see what work they're doing, and also if they've done any more work regarding the outbank at the station. Probably not likely, but there is a good view of the crane actually, so we'll see if they're lifting anything. Let's have a look.
Oh, it's moving. Morning, you alright, yeah?
So as we can see, they have now attached a piece of track to the crane.
Lifting.
It is lifting now.
It's lifting.
So this will be the section for the dive loop that they're putting in. This will be,
More tracks going into it in the air. Look at that.
I don't know whether it's going to be the entrance to it or coming out of it. It is double spined, as you can see on top, which means there'll be more stress on that section of track, which makes me think it will be the entrance, possibly.
A lot of work over there today.
Looks like they're just lowering it down. I think they'll just get it into a position to lift it again, and then obviously they'll get the cherry pickers up, which they'll bolt the pieces together. Yeah, once it starts lifting again, we'll restart, and yeah, that's all for this bit.
BC.
What were you saying, Dom?
I'm in the air. Yeah, found my feelers. Yes!
You're
Found my feelers.
236 feet tall.
That was a good roll, you know.
Was it? Brilliant. But yeah, this is the bit of track in question.
This is definitely going in.
Just here.
I feel like I'm going to stand over there and see it, because it's much better.
I'll keep this rolling for a little bit, see if anything changes, but... Here we go then, the moment we have been waiting for. We have movement of the track being lifted into place. So as you can see, you've got the cherry picker up here. So this is the crew that will be bolting the track pieces in together. Big shout out to the crew if they end up watching my videos. Done a cracking job with this coaster, proper flying up now. The amount of precision it takes to get every single piece of track ready and bolted into the actual position it needs to be in is just phenomenal. It must be a lot of hard work. Like, we judge it from ground level, going, oh, just get this piece in, but I can imagine when you're up there, it's a whole different ball game, really. It's not as simple as it seems. So it does take a while for these pieces to go into place. They're just trying to get it in line now. It's pretty much at the right level, maybe just a little bit higher. Like, it's crazy how high these elements really are. Like, my phone is really tilted upwards just to get this shot now. It really shows you the height they're working from. It's starting to hurt my arm actually. Now they're just trying to line it up as accurately as possible before they can bolt it in. As you can see, they have moved it a bit further away. Might be they've just not got it in the right position just yet. Doesn't look like they're lowering it back down again, unfortunately. It takes time with these things. It doesn't just fit together first time all the time. Hopefully we'll see this go into place very soon. Yeah, so that bit of track is now fully completed. What do we think, guys? Looking amazing.
I mean, seen coming off a few times. I've seen it before. It's pretty normal for that.
Yeah, standard stuff for Dom. Of course.
It's pretty standard. So don't panic in case you're watching this for the first time.
Yeah.
And it's your first piece of track.
Yeah, that's the first major piece of track I've actually seen go in. Yeah. So
after weeks and weeks and months,
I know. It's taken a long time. But
yeah, you can celebrate a beer. Well, later on.
Well, yeah. Yeah, when I get home, I can celebrate. I'm driving. But yeah.
The jobs are now in.
Yeah, so it's now officially in. So the dive loop now is halfway completed now, I think. So yeah, it really has come along. Exciting. Got people down here now, gathering a crowd. The excitement for this coaster, just, as you can see, it's absolutely incredible. But hopefully soon we'll see the rest of this dive loop going in. They are doing some more work down here as well. And what they're doing, but yeah, just working on the sides here. Looks like pipe work for all the electronic side of the ride. But yeah, hopefully there'll be something more to show you very soon. Yeah, enjoy. We were just saying, like, can you imagine the hang time you're going to get on this dive loop? Compared it to other Mac coasters that have had really good hang time on inversions, so Copperhead Strike at Carowinds is a great example of this. Like the loops on it, like you go so slow over it. So can you imagine? Because you connect on from just over here, this piece of gold track here. So this is where you'll come into the dive loop, and you go all the way up through here, or connecting onto the piece of track. There, got it. You'll either get to it. But the amount of hang time you're going to get on that is absolutely crazy. And then coming down into the splashdown level, which will be just, obviously you won't see it because there's a fence. Then into your final twist turn. Then into the final brakes. Just there. Yeah, hopefully we'll get the hang time, which will be absolutely incredible. Who else is excited for this coaster? Put down in the comments, show us your hype, like and subscribe, share this video to your friends, because excitement is real, isn't it, Dom?
What's that?
Excitement is real.
Oh, it's going to be something else this year.
Let's go. So we have now got a bit of support being lifted up into place. So this will connect onto, I think, the support the furthest from us. As this crane here is currently holding up the one nearest to us at the moment, so I think this will be for the furthest away structure. I'm trying to get in position, but there's not too much trees in the way. It's not that easy. As you can see, the crew are trying to get in place on the cherry picker to install this bit of support. Try and move around a little bit so you can get a better view of the structure. Zoom out a little bit. so it's a lot better view of it. At some point they will try grabbing that guidance rope to try and help get it aligned properly. Almost there. I've got hold of it now and they're just trying to turn it around slightly so they can fit it in or get the bolts in. We'll leave this section here and come back to the vlog once they've got it in place. Sounds like they might be doing it. I've got the hammer out, so hopefully this will be in place very soon. So we have just noticed they have now got the shutter door on the maintenance station, which is gold, which actually looks really nice like that. The gold with the black panels and the gold strip at the top. But yeah, it's nice to finally see the shutter on there. So obviously this is where the trains will go in to the maintenance area from the main station, which is here. So hopefully we'll see something similar on this side. So on these panels here, hopefully that'll be gold, similar to the front end of the station. But yeah, no real changes on that at the moment, obviously. But that is looking very nice indeed. Like, hopefully they will be doing the sides here as well. But yeah, just a little bonus update. The shutters are now in place. I'm not sure about the other end. I think we can go and have a little look, see if anything's changed there. Yeah, nothing's actually been installed at this side as of yet. So, carrying on from where we were before, they're just finishing off that bit of structure now. They're near enough done with it, but I think we're going to go off and get some lunch in a minute. Then we'll head back and hopefully they'll start with the track and finish off this section of the dive loop, at least the top half of it, and then hopefully they'll work on the entrance to it. But yeah, what are we laughing about over here, guys? Come on.
Isn't that a nice funny little joke?
I've just had a good moment today. It's Happy Friday.
Yeah, Friday, we're excited for this.
Oh.
Excited for spoons, that's what it is.
Yeah, excited for
I mean,
spring.
I am.
Happiness.
I'm starving now. I'm not
Yes.
gonna lie.
I need a beer.
Give me a Stella.
The golden moment beer.
The
eh?
golden moment beer.
And the fluff on the top will be the highest point. Woohoo!
The peak.
Yes!
The peak of Hyperia. But yeah.
I'm hungry to be alive later.
I'm going to be alive.
I've got some love.
This guy, honestly.
What is going on?
He's just,
I'm so lost.
I wish I never. I don't know, it's just the way it was today. Oh, looking forward to my fish and chips.
yeah, I can't wait.
That's better.
Yeah. Bring on spoons and we will be back to carry on the rest of this construction update.
Oh, yes.
Ciao. So, just before we do go for lunch, we have noticed they are now lifting the topper section of this support structure. So this now will be the last bit before they put the rest of the dive loop track in. So as you can see, it's got 3 connection points on there. So 2 of them are attached to the support structure, and then 1 will hold the bits of track, the dive loop. So the one on the far left will be the bit the track attaches to. So here, and obviously these 2 here will connect to the structure. So yeah, hopefully once we get back from lunch, they'll either make more progress or at least hopefully we'll see the track go in and we won't miss it. But yeah, this will be the last bit you see now until after lunch, and then we'll see you soon for hopefully more track. Here we go then. As you can see, the team are now preparing to install the top section of the dive loop. We have waited around 20 to 30 minutes for them to lift this into position. It's taken quite a while actually. I suppose they've got to make sure they've got the right bits, make sure all the bolts are checked from the previous sections of the track they put in. But we are finally at the stage where they're going to install the top section. Try and spin it round, just so this connection point here attaches onto the support. go, just trying to align it now. Pretty much bang on. We just got to try and move it slowly into position. The amount of precision here is actually crazy. I mean, they moved it so slowly into place because it has to be so accurate. Hand-eye coordination here is crazy. But eventually that will attach in. Yeah, as you can hear now, they are hammering bolts into position. So this section is now pretty much attached. There's just a tiny bit to bolt just above where the cherry picker is. So just here, just that little bit there needs attaching, and obviously they'll attach the connection point to the support. But yeah, once that's fully in, they can then, they'll probably do on brake, and then they'll hopefully be working on the rest of it. But we will have to find out. So we've had a bit of a break from the site, went into town for a little bit. Coming back, they have now started on this section of the track. So just over halfway now to connecting back up with the track, which is just down here. Just see the goal through there. So whether they're going to get this done today, probably not likely. It's probably looking more like it's going to be by Monday, depending if they work this weekend. I mean, they don't always work. So we'll just have to wait and see, but my guess will be Monday they'll complete the rest of this. But it is looking absolutely fantastic. What do you think, guys? It's so good, honestly.
It's better than it looks now.
Yeah.
That's second, third biggest inversion of Europe's done now.
Well, yeah, it's still taller than Colossus. It's just crazy to think what both of those elements are.
Massive to imagine.
But yeah, we're gonna hang around a bit longer, depending what the time is at the moment. Yeah, when they usually stop around 4, between 4 and 5, so I can't imagine we'll be much longer here. But if there is anything more, it will be added to the end of this vlog, but if not, we will just do the outro, and yeah. But it is looking fantastic. All credit to these guys, like, it's moving at rapid pace every day. And it won't be long till that 236 foot leaf deal is just rising right up here. And we can't wait. Yeah! Yeah! So after waiting a little bit longer to see if anything's happening, all the cranes are now down, so that means it is the end of the day, fortunately. So I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. But yeah, it's been a good day. Like, half the dive loop is now installed, so hopefully by Monday that will, as I said, that'll be fully complete. So after that is the main event. We'll get the big crane in that can reach 236 feet, and the lift hill begins, the main event, so to speak. The one that's really going to show off the height of this coaster, because it is only just beginning, let's be honest, even though it looks pretty much there. But yeah, it's a really exciting times ahead for the UK's tallest and fastest coaster, Hyperia. But yeah, it's the end of our day. How's it been, Dom?
Yeah, got attacked by a twig. And there you go, it's good. I'm alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a really good one today.
Long day, but yeah, a lot's been done.
Yeah, been a long day, but very, very good.
Yeah. But yeah, that's all from today. Make sure you like and subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. Click the bell to be notified when another vlog happens, and yeah, I shall see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye.